Hey, we're here at our second anniversary, man, with Xtream FX Global Academy. 2 years in business, it's still going strong. It's the new year, new beginning. It's time for a change. Xtream is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Xtream FX Common Unity, where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Xtream is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Xtream FX is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Xtream FX provides the opportunity for growth and to work amongst professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the common unity, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came in, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bringing a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we're looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.
Great morning, great morning, great morning. Top of the day, Agent Dynamite Sloan here with my Mansky all the way from Long Beach, California in the Pipalicious Cafe. What's up, King? How you doing this morning, sir?
Let's go. Good morning. You know, I'm doing fine and well.
Yeah,
it's
man.
Early. It's early. It is early over here, man. But you know, this is what we do, man. I get up this early to make some money. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I ain't gotta be in traffic. You know what I'm saying?
And you ain't lying, bro. Nothing like the smell of some green cash, man. Some pips moving in the market, man, to get you going early today, man. So listen, welcome aboard, everybody. If it's your first time here, we welcome you to the Xtream Move of the day, man. We get on every single Tuesday and Thursday at 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock just to be able to educate about what the market is doing, to be able to use some of the skills that we've learned over the years and just to share, you know what I'm saying? Not a sales pitch. We can't guarantee that you're going to make thousands and thousands of dollars, and we can't guarantee that you're going to be profitable. But we can guarantee that we're going to give you our best, and we're going to share our experiences with you using what we see in the market and using some of our technology. So tell a friend to come again, man. You want to share early. Put it out there to be able to tell friends how to go to the next level. And it doesn't cost you anything to be able to share some information, guys. So we're going to navigate through these charts and try to share some information of what we see in the market. $7 trillion a day moving. We use our technology here to be able to help navigate. For those of you who just chart up with TradingView, hey, we still do that too, right? This comes from years of experience being in the academy and learning and growing, and we try to use some tools to enhance better performance, right? But it doesn't take anything away from the knowledge you got to have of the market. So that's why we say we get on here to have fun and share, but using some technology to help enhance it. So Dr. Nelson, man, what you seeing out here today, Doc?
Good morning, family. Yeah, so you know, just jumping into the market early in the morning, I like to, you know, break it down. But I like to look, see what happened yesterday. right, and see what we can find today. So if we go to the higher time frame, 15 minutes, we had this beautiful buy yesterday. I don't know about you guys, but I made some good money yesterday. You know what I'm saying? So
Yes,
it's
sir.
yesterday the market, it broke out of it, man, a huge consolidation. Right, see this, all this move right here that kept going, right? That kept was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 days and of trading. This thing just kept consolidating right here as well. Right, this is what I was looking at, and we broke that top. Right, breaking that top, man, just confirmed that it was going to buy for the rest of the day for me, and I just rode that wave, my brother. You know what I'm saying? I rode the coattails of the banks. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? I grab on to the tail end of the banks, man, and just hold on. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that was a dope ride, man. You said that started at the top of the morning when the bell rung.
Yes, bell rung. This thing just, you know what I mean? So what you want to do, man, is you want to really look at price action, right? Those of you that are seasoned in the market, right? You want to look at price action. Price action to give you everything, man. It's knowing how the banks move, it helps a lot too as well, right? Knowing how they move, what is their how do they move in the market, right? What is their plan, right? If you know their plan, right, then you should always be on the right side of the market if you know their plan, right? So here at Xtream, man, we study this market, and we are always in this market learning different things. And like my brother said, you know, we trading view, right? We started at trade view. Man, getting into trading view helps you to understand the bigger picture of what the market is doing. We drop down to the safety trade system here, just confirms. It's another confirmation that we have, right? And it's on point, y'all. It is on point. If you have this system, right, and you learn the movements of the market, it always moves 3 ways, right? It's either moving up, down, or sideways. That's the 3 ways it moves, right? But you want to know structure. Structure is what it, man. If you don't understand structure, that would be my suggestion to you, my advice to you, y'all. Learn structure. If you learn structure and you use any strategy with structure would help. Structure would help, y'all. So
absolutely.
Coming into the market today, we see that the market is what? Selling, right? We have this nice bearish trend right here in the 5-minute. Let's see in the 15-minute, but we're coming down to what is this, y'all? I know y'all know what this is. This is a OB, right? It's an order block, right? Order block right here. If we go back in time, let's go back to the 1 hour, see where price was at that time, that price way back here. And it's at a support and resistance, y'all. Look at this. I cannot make this stuff up. Sloan, look at that.
Oh, have mercy.
That's a support and resistance. Strong support and resistance. There's volume off that level. Right? So if we get a bounce off this area right here and it shoots up, y'all, you guys know where we're going.
Absolutely.
Right? You guys know where we're going. We wait for confirmations. Confirmations will give us everything. But if it breaches that block, right? If it breaches this area and just violates it with authority, you know what I mean? When it takes authority over that support and resistance, that thing is shooting. It is shooting, y'all. She gone. We're going to be able to capitalize on that, right? How do we capitalize? We wait for confirmations. We get paid to wait, fam. That's powerful right there. We get paid to wait. So when the market opens at 6:30, gives us our move, and then we strategize, right? We strategize. That's the key word right there, right? You strategize. Soon as that gives you your confirmations, you wait patiently for your confirmations and enter the market. You do not want to enter the market before you get those confirmations. Why? Because you are not being accountable, right? You're not being accountable. Strategies help you keep accountable to yourself. Because I don't know about you guys, but I'll be trigger happy sometimes. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Ready to
I'll be
roll.
I'll be jumping into the market too early. And I get that pullback and I get all kinds of emotions. You know what I don't know about y'all.
Your whole spirit shake.
Man, you know what I'm saying? I'll be speaking in tongues, my brother. You know what I'm saying?
Should have waited.
Yeah, man. So it's always good to wait for your confirmations because you don't want to be speaking in tongues early in the morning.
No. You don't want the problems, man. Take your time.
Yeah. Take your time, family. Take your time because it'll help you be profitable because that's the key here, right? That is the goal. Actually, that's the goal. The goal is to be a profitable trader. And how do you be a profitable trader? Right? You have a set of standards, right? You set of standards that you put in line, that you put in place for you to follow. Those standards, right? Which is those confirmations, right? They're there to help you to make better decisions. They help you to make better decisions in your trades. Soon as you start doing that, as soon as you start following your plan, as soon as you start following your confirmations, it's guaranteed that you are to see results that you want to see. All right, that you want to see, y'all. And there it is, y'all. It's dropped in the chat. Journal. You got to get a trading journal, right? Because you want to be able to jot down those words that you be speaking in tongues. You be jot them down.
Right.
Should have been Honda.
Lord, lot. Lot size.
Yes, man. So it helps. It helps.
Man. That's trading 101. And that 101 ran into the other one, but y'all get the point. Is man, you got to just track your behavior, man. I can't stress that enough. If you're a trader and you're not tracking your behavior, man, shame on you. You're gonna make the same mistakes over and over and over and be wondering why you can't grow. I spoke to some traders, man. They said they've been trading for 3 years, King Nelson. I said, gotcha. I said, so how you doing with your journaling? They was like, what journal?
What?
Jeez. My conversation just had a pause in it for a second. It was like a pregnant pause. It was like, okay, that says a lot. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Guys, if you don't track your behavior, man, I'm telling you, like, you're missing it. You're missing it. We've always said, and I heard a lot of educators say when I first started learning the charts, man, the chart is a reflection of you. And I didn't really know what that meant until I kept screwing up. You know what I'm saying? And not learning what my mess ups were. And then I realized I was making the same mistakes over and over and over. You know what I mean? And so you want to clean that up. So that trading journal, man, trading 101, you got to journal and track your behavior, right? So you're not entering the wrong trades and you're not over leveraging lot size and then you're not greedy. Then you know when to step away, when to step away from the chart and just watch so you can learn. I at one point, Kenneth, I didn't really know why, a lot of experienced traders would say, man, trade on a demo account for 3 months, 6 months, even a year. I've seen people trade on a demo for a year. No live account. It takes away the emotion of the money and just learn the skill set.
Yeah.
So when you go live, you know what you're doing. So that would be my advice to any of you guys, man. Don't be ashamed to be on the demo account. Even if you got a live account, right? Go back to your demo account sometime, right? And just make better decisions. Better decisions.
Yeah, one thing I learned too.
What's up, brother?
Yes, very true, Ron. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One thing I've learned too, family, listen, is I stopped looking at the money. I started basing my trades off pips. I don't look at the money no more, right? I don't look how much I lost, how much I made. I always look at how many pips I caught. All right, so that would help you to get your emotions out of the way as well. Because I don't know about y'all, but when I start seeing negative money, man, I get, you know what I mean? I get all bubbly, you know what I mean?
you feel that one in your soul.
Yeah. But when you start seeing your account, like your profits and your in pips, it starts changing your perspective of how to look at the market. All right, so my goal for each day is 300 pips a day. All right, 300 pips a day, and I look for that goal. As soon as I get that goal, if I see another setup, I'll take it. But that's my goal for the day, 300 pips. All right, because after that, and everything else is, it's just added on. Right, it's
Yes,
just
sir.
added on.
So, guys, so when you hear a number like that, right, 300 pips, a lot of that too, man, that is lot size, knowing your lot size. So knowing your
Yes.
pip and knowing the lot size that can sustain that pip count, right? And so looking at your account balance, and you have to know how much of a percentage, right? Whether it's 1%, 2%, 5%, what are you risking, right? So what is that pip count? What can that do based upon what lot size? Again, this is just like hardcore education knowledge to know what's your pip count goal and what lot size should you have. You know what I'm saying? To be able to correlate with that pip goal. Because remember, you may want to go 300 pips up, but you could go 300 pips down. You know what I'm saying? And so if you go 300 pips down, right? If your goal is 300, then basically a 1-to-2 ratio, then your risk, should be 150 pips, right? If you go into a
Right.
1-to-2 ratio, that you're willing to lose 150 pips in order to gain 300, right? So
Right.
can
Yep.
your pip size, can your lot size handle that? If you go 150 down, right, on a 1-to-2 ratio, can you sustain that and be done? You got to have a goal, but you also got to have a loss goal. I ain't losing no more than this today. I don't know if you're a gambler or if you go to Vegas, but you say, listen, this 500 I'm taking to the blackjack table. That's it. If this 500 leave, that's it. Yo, the market is the same way. You have to know, what are you willing to lose? You have to
Yes,
know.
sir.
And if you hit that number, that's it. So that's why I say don't lose it all in one trade. You know what I'm saying? You blowing the screen. Like you blowing the screen like a candle, right? Trying to make sure if the market turn around, don't lose your loss goal in one trade. Does that make sense, King? Don't do it.
Hey,
Don't.
just because your screen is a touch screen doesn't mean you can pull those candles up. I see people touching the screen, just moving it up.
Oh my God, not yet, guys. I mean, if you see, guys, the market is really setting up. If you're watching your chart, obviously we giving you guys some education, but if you should be watching your chart as well to kind of see how the market is moving. And if you seen from the open set of the King, that's what just saying that from the big buy yesterday, then the market is setting up for a sale. As he just said previously, that it just depends on what's going to happen when they hit those order blocks. So you can scan the market yourself right now and take a good look to see where it's going, but it looks like it's going to sell. So no particular asset at this point is the asset to track. Just scan the market to be able to see. Look at your chart to really be able to see what you see in your pair. Everybody on this call should have your particular currency pair, right? That you like the trade that you're looking for. If it's SPX, if it's NAS, if it's US 30, right? Scan your pair and see what the market setup is. And right now I don't particularly see a particular move at this point, Dr. Nelson. Do you? I mean, right now, like things are setting up.
Yeah, it's a setup, right? So
it's a setup. That's all I see. I see everything setting up. But sometimes in the market, it's going to be that way. Things going to have to set up before you just jump in the market. So scan, take a note of what your pair is, and what that support and resistance looks like on your particular pair. When the market moves, if that's going to be the entry you're going to take. But right now, it's like the market is just setting up for the move, but it's not a particular move that I would tell you guys to go for right now.
Right. Here's something too that I'll even drop. I'll drop in a couple of nuggets right now and how I look at the market. Y'all listen. If you guys are listening in, right? Write some notes, man. Take some notes down, right? So my particular style of trading is I look for the setups in the morning about 6 to 6:30. I want to see what the market is doing. I've already scanned the history, right, in my higher time frame, 15 minutes. I've already looked at that. I know where the direction is, and I know where key zones are. Now, those key zones play a big role on what the market is going to do, right? What the market is going to do. So if we get a bounce off of those key zones, right, you'll get violations. This is what you want to look for. You want to look for violations of structure. Violations of structure is what you want to look for. Right? As soon as the banks go in this direction, they violate what another term, right, is they break structure. Right? They break structure. They violate key areas, and that gives us that gives us a footnote, right? That gives us footprints, right, of where the banks want to go. You wait, right? If it's a trend that is going to move upwards, which is higher highs and higher lows, you never get into the market when it's creating a higher high. You want to wait for that higher low to be created, because when the higher low created, it's the highest amount of a profit that you can get. Right? If you start jumping it too early in the market, right, you're going to be catching those pullbacks that you do not want to be in. So you always want to catch, if it's a bullish trend, you always want to catch the higher low. If it is a bearish trend, you always want to catch the lower high. It's just the way the market moves. It moves up and down, right? It creates waves. You want to catch it at that bottom wave if it's a bullish trend. If it's a bearish trend, you want to catch it at that very top of the wave, right? So knowing your structure will help you a lot, will help you to be profitable. Yes, note takers are money makers. That's right, Ron. Yes, Bridget. Well, I trade on the indices. Indices move quick. They move fast. 300 pips is nothing with indices.
Absolutely.
Indices is like seconds. You get 300 pips in seconds. All right, so
yes, Lord. Yes, pay attention. I'm looking
yeah,
at this. Ron had asked for the USD JPY.
USD. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at that deal right now. I mean, it still looks like it's a downtrend for the next 15 minutes or so. That like it may break up later. And let me scan it to be able to see. It's an entry point in here, Dr. Ron. USD JPY. Let me put this one on my chart. Yeah, so she on the 15-minute, you can see she's bouncing back and forth off that same support and resistance. I mean, she's been doing that. Let me go to the 30-minute. Yeah, she's been doing that in that same range. It's been in that range for hours. You see that? You see that, King?
Yeah.
I mean, it's been in that same range. If you go to the 30-minute counter, you can see it from a higher glance. And in the 1 hour, you can see too. I mean, it's been trading in that same range for a bit, with not much of a breakout since that sale over, what's that, almost a day ago. Let me go to the 4 hour. Yes, it's still been in the downtrend on the 4 hour. So it is a downtrend for sure. Well, you go to the 1 hour, it's trading in that range. So that's probably why when I look at the scan, it said it's going to have a sell for a couple of minutes, then it's going to come back with a buy. So it's still trading in that same range.
Yeah. I would still be catching these sells. I would be in sells with USD JPY.
Yeah.
Unless it breaks that, and soon if it breaks this price, write this price down, Ryan. If it breaks this price 147.829, right? 147.829. If it violates that price, we're going to start seeing a reversal. But until then, this thing is just going to keep dropping. If it makes a new lower low, right, it will get another structure, right? But as of now, this thing is going to sell unless it breaks this. It's going to keep selling.
But you look at it on the daily, that drop, it's been selling for 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 5 days.
Yeah, she gonna give you a nice good sell until you get a violation of that price.
Yes, sir. And then she
Boom.
broke that lower low from before. So it looks
Mm-hmm.
like it's gonna keep going down.
Yeah, it's already violated that structure, right? And so it's already giving out, evidence of that thing continuing to go down.
It is. Very much so.
All right,
Yep.
y'all. So we got about 2 more minutes for the bell to ring. Mind y'all, this is Thanksgiving week, right? Is it Thanksgiving week? It is,
Yeah.
huh?
Thursday.
Yeah, man. Man, I'm like, well, I've been in this market so long, bro. I don't even know my holidays no more, man.
Thursday, broski. Thursday. The family that asked me what I'm cooking. I'm like, I thought I was just coming to eat. Y'all want me to cook too? Man. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing holiday. If you enjoy holidays, and even if you don't celebrate holidays, I look at
Yeah.
holidays at that type of, just to be able to be with friends and family. You know what I'm saying? We got to
Yeah.
thank God for opportunities to come together. And so, if you do so, enjoy your family. Enjoy your family.
Yeah.
Whatever way you guys do it, enjoy your family.
Yes. It's a season to be grateful, right?
It is.
Just to be grateful, man. That's what I look at, man. I'm grateful, very grateful for the time that I'm in, right? The life that I'm living, family around me, friends, right? New relationships. Celebrate those things, man. It's the season to do it, right? Whether you celebrate Thanksgiving or not, you yourself, right? Me myself, I'm grateful, right?
I'm grateful for sure. Man, you ain't never lied, brother. So enjoy. So hopefully, we can catch a couple moves that you guys can put some more cranberry sauce on the table. You know what I mean?
Ooh,
A couple more chicken legs. A couple Cornish hens.
I don't know about y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I be looking for the best, the best stuffing. You know what I'm saying? I'll be out there. I'll be on the prowl. I'll be like, hey, who's got the best stuffing out here?
Yo, you gotta see stuffing is that some people's stuffing be dry. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
You gotta
man.
make sure. I hate dry stuffing.
I hate dry stuffing, man. You ain't never lied, man. As soon as I walk into a stuffing and I see it dry, I make a U-turn. You know what I mean? First I rebuke it, and then I
Right, you crazy. Yo, I'm gonna put in the chat. Yeah, what pairs you guys like to look at? So you guys can call it a couple pairs if you got a couple pairs that you would like to look at. Honestly, I'm scanning the market as we evaluate and waiting for the drop to happen. What time is it? 9:30. The bell about to ring right now. But if you guys have a pair that you like, want to look at to see if it has some motion, you can put it in the chat. But the bell is about to ring. Let's see if it wake up a little bit.
Let's go. We got a violation to the bottom. We need to see that on NAS. Wait for that pullback. Right? Let's wait for that pullback, y'all. NAS is already showing us a hand, right? It already giving us the direction it wants to go in. I need SPX and US 30 to do the same thing. US 30 and SPX. US 30 is the big brother of SPX. Whatever US 30 does, SPX is going to follow suit. All right, family. So NAS already gave us where it wants to go. It already gave us where it wants to go. It's going to go down, but don't hold this, right? Don't hold NAS. If you jump into NAS, you do not want to hold NAS. NAS, it's still a bullish trend, right? Still a bullish trend overall. Right? That 1 hour time frame. Look at this thing needs to violate down here in order to keep going down. But right now, NAS is pulling down and giving us probably going to come down and close out these blocks down here. But other than that, let's wait for this pullback. Let's see what the US 30 and SPX will do. US 30 is consolidating. So is SPX, y'all. So is SPX. So as soon as we get this confirmation, we'll get into these trades. That US 30 is, oh boy. Oh, yep.
Yeah, like even when you look at your scanner, I'm looking at the scanner right now for the safety trade scanner, and a lot of stuff is still showing a 1 minute buy, but the 5 and 15 and everything is still on the sale. Guys, be very, very careful right now. Be very, very careful. Do not get caught in an impulsive decision because it's not safe yet. You know what I'm saying? Be patient.
That's why it's very, very important.
Safety entry right now. So, I know some of you guys like, let's make a call a trade. No, man. Like one of the biggest things of being a good student of the market is you trade what you see. Put your emotions in your back pocket. You know what I'm saying? Sit on them.
Yes,
I don't care what you want to do. What is the market telling you to do? You see what I'm saying? So when you start telling yourself what you think you want to get from the market, it's just gonna rob you. It's gonna take everything you got.
Yes, sir.
Take your emotions, put them in your back pocket, and sit on them until you see the setup. We always, King Nelson untaught us for years: trade what you see, not what you think. I don't see a safe entry. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Absolutely.
I don't see it. So right now we wait.
Absolutely.
Yeah, right now. So what would you call them with US 30 there, King? How you see it moving?
It's consolidating. I like this. I like when I see it moving like this sideways because I know it's building orders. This is going to be a big move, but we have to wait for the banks to show us their direction. Right now, they're building orders. They buy and sell at the same time. When they're building orders, they buy and sell at the same time. They're getting in position for a big move. All right. In order for them to do that, they have to get, they have to buy and if they're selling, they're buying to get the best the best price. They're selling right to get the best price.
Right. I like
So
that. I just put that in the chat. Consolidation is orders being built prior to a move. Guys, you just got to get you got to get that.
There it is. US 30 already gave us. US 30 is giving us a sell now. So we know right where it wants to go. You know exactly where it wants to go.
All right, let me pull that bad boy up.
Let me see here. We're going to wait for that pullback for US 30. On NAS 100.
Ooh, yeah, US 30 shot down. Good gracious.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, she definitely made a choice.
Yeah. So we're gonna wait for the pullback, y'all. We always gotta wait for that pullback. If we're not being responsible with our trades, man, we're gonna start seeing negative results, right? But if we wait patiently for entries, right, we'll always be on the right side of the market, y'all. We just gotta wait for entries. Come on. I want to see NAS sweep that top. NAS sweep this top up here. All right, to give me a better confirmation of where it wants to go. Come on.
You can see a lot of people jumped in at US 30 early. She pulled back on you. You know what I'm saying? She pulled back. She moonwalked on the chart if you wasn't careful.
Bro, I can already, man. Every time I see that, man, I'm like, man, people already jumped in. I can already hear them.
That's why I try to
speaking
tell
all
you,
kinds of different languages.
Be patient. Be patient.
Yes, patient. Man. Let that set up right.
Yeah, I mean, this is part of your education, guys. Like you gotta know these. You gotta know this stuff. You gotta know this. Them impulse moves. You never trade on expansion. You just don't do that.
Never.
You never trade on expansion. That joint expand down is like a rubber band. You pull it out and it's it come back faster than it expanded. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, anybody
Bro,
ever done that? Be honest. Did you trade the expansion and then your heart dropped when it went?
accumulation. Yeah.
The pullback is faster than the expansion. You don't trade expansion. That's a trick.
Yes,
That's a
sir.
trick. That's a trick of the market. You be like, it's selling. I'm about to sell. I'm about to sell. And as soon as you hit the button, it's like the guys of the market say, got him.
Got it.
You don't do that, man. Wait.
Patiently.
I'm,
It's gonna
I'm
give
watching.
out. Yeah, it's gonna give out a bag, man. But you gotta wait for that, that right moment in time to do it. All right.
Yeah,
So
even though
if you
right
come
now
into
she's still pushing down. She retracted
yeah,
and she's still pushing, but be careful.
yes,
Be
sir.
careful.
Be careful, y'all.
All right, so what else we had in here? What's gold? What we looking like on gold?
Let me look at gold real quick. Gold.
Let's see.
Gold. Ooh, man, look at that buy on gold, man.
Yeah, I seen it shoot up a little bit ago. Let me see.
Oh yeah, gold is nice. Wait for that pullback. Buy gold. If you're on and family, listen, this is for educational purposes only. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
We're just telling y'all what we're doing, right?
This is what I would do.
Yeah, this is what I would do, right? Is I'm gonna wait for this pullback, right? Always wait for the pullback in the 5-minute, 15-minute, whatever your confirmations is, right? Whatever time frame you trade in, wait for the retracement. Soon as the retracement happens, you look for entries, right? Look for entries. Soon as you get your entry, buy gold. Gold's gonna buy. It's probably buy for the rest of the week and next week, maybe. All right, it's gonna give you a buy. Oh, there it is. There, it swept that top, man. It swept that top on NAS. Made an equal top. Yeah, this thing is okay. Hold up, y'all. Hold up, man. I'm about to give you a trade with NAS. I needed to do a little bit more movements, and then we'll enter the trade on NAS and on SPX. Let me see what Jer doing. Oh nah. Germ 30 is not ready either. Get ready, y'all. Get ready. If NAS gives me that confirmation of that, all right, here we go. Sell stop NAS. Sell stop at 15964. 15964. Sell stop NAS. 15964. 15964. Sell stop NAS. 15964.
All right, guys, I just dropped it in the chat for you. One of the
15964.
Someone just asked, "What's a good broker for indices?" Well, that's one of those things, man. We really can't recommend a broker for you. Unfortunately, what I would tell you to do, I would give you some general advice, right? When you're looking at, what broker is your choice, man, you want to be looking at your fees. You want to be looking at, everything associated to that broker itself. But we cannot recommend a broker, unfortunately. But what are some key points, King Nelson, what you were saying, looking at a broker? What are some things a person should look at? Let's answer the question that way.
It all depends on what you want to do, right? And I know you're asking for indices, right? So there's two kinds of brokers. There's regulated and unregulated. All right, so the regulated, unregulated. You want to look for, what fits your personality of trading as well. There's got different spreads, right? There's different brokers that have, they have tighter spreads, right? They have, cheaper. It's cheaper to trade two indices on some of these brokers. So just look for brokers that that fit your needs. Right. So one thing that I want to stress out is look for brokers that with tight spreads, man. Yeah. So they have smaller spreads, so you can make the most possible money you can. All right. So for me myself, right, I have an unregulated broker, right? So if you're looking for that type of broker, search it up. YouTube has a lot of information as well. It's a lot to look for in brokers when you look for brokers, right? So it just look for what fits your personality of trading.
Yeah, and I think that's the best way to do it. And I just put that in the chat. The key of it is knowing your style. Like, because some brokers that's good for scalping is not good for swing trading or day trading, right? So you got to look at that spread deal and what's your style. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people, come to trade and say, "What broker you use? What broker you use?" I mean, I wouldn't really recommend you do that. You know what I'm saying? Because that person trading style in pairs may not be what's good for you. And I know it sounds like, okay, we're giving you the runaround, but we're really not. I mean, it's really the truth. You have to look at, so the thing about trading is you got to study your craft. You have to sit down with a pen and pad and say, what's the difference between regulated and unregulated? Which one would I like to be a part of? What's the difference between the spread fees of if I'm a scalper and I'm gonna be in and out the market, right? Then I gotta have something that's gonna have some low spread fees for sure, because when you hit the button, right, you're gonna go automatically into the red. You know what I mean? So you don't want to be the piece that got deeper spread fees because you're gonna be in the red longer. So if that market closed, then you didn't even go to profit, right? Because all your money went to spread. So this is what we're saying is paying attention to what's your style. If the spread's a little higher, I really wouldn't care, because I'm gonna be in there for all day, or a 4-hour candle, or 1 hour, a whole 24-hour daily candle. I'm trading on the daily. It wouldn't matter if the spread is a little higher, because I'm gonna be in the trade a little longer. So you got to look at what's your style.
Go in the money, y'all. You in the money. You in the money. Let's go, y'all. Collect some money, y'all. Collect some. Come on, y'all.
Pass go.
Come on, y'all.
Collect 200 and pass go.
Yes, you are in the money. Come on, y'all. That drop should have gave you a good bag, y'all. It should have gave you a good bag. Don't let a bad trade or a good trade turn bad, y'all. This thing is going, y'all. Did I give out an SPX? Did I give out the SPX trade? No,
not yet.
Oh, snaps, man. That SPX was setting up nice.
Let me see. I got gold and NAS on my chart right now. Let me go back to US 30. Let me see what she doing. See, that US 30 pulled back that we was talking about.
Man, that thing is dropping.
She gonna keep pushing. I'm looking at US 30 and I'm looking at SPX. I mean, they are parallel right now of how you can.
Yeah, listen. The NAS trade is in the money, y'all. That's more than 50 pips up. Come on, y'all.
Who got it?
Somebody should have caught that drop on NAS. What was the entry on NAS that I put out? 1.5.
What? It was 159 something. It's in the chat.
6.4. Yeah, 6.4. Dude, that's all. It's at 5.8 right now. You should be blue in NAS. Who caught that drop? Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. I know somebody caught that drop. It wasn't just me.
It could have been.
Listen, US 30 is about to set up as well. When US 30 sets up for that sell, right? Be responsible, right? Be responsible. When I call out the trade and you trade US 30, you guys got it. FOMC news. Expect major moves just before 2 p.m. and after. It is usually very busy at FOM. Yeah. Let's go. Look at that drop, y'all. Somebody made some money. Somebody's still making money.
She is running. She is running from 9. What we say, 6-4?
She's
She
at
at
4-9.
9-2.
Look at it, man.
9-3-0.
I told y'all, man. I told y'all, look at her go. Come on,
I got
y'all.
35, 36 pips on that deal right now.
Come on. Come on, y'all.
Yes, sir. And like she got a
Patience.
ways to go down too.
Listen, patience pays the bills, y'all. Patience pays the bills. I always say this, man. If you're patient enough to wait for this market to set up and give you that, man, come on, y'all. That perfect setup. This is a perfect setup right here.
And like she can go all the way down to, what is this? 2-4? You see that?
Let me see.
9-2-4. If she break that, at least she already hit the previous one at 2-7.
2-4. Oh man, she looked like she could roll down all the way to. Let me see. See what price that is right here. 886. 886. She could probably run all the way down here. 886. 888. Yeah, I'm looking at this right here. Oh yeah. She keeps going, y'all.
Protect your lot size. Don't be greedy.
Yeah, she keeps going, y'all. She violates this low right here. She definitely running. This low right here. You guys are looking at my screen. If she violates this low, that means the trend is going to continue and this thing is going to just drop. US 30 is pulling back, going to give us an entry. SPX is pulling back, giving us another entry.
Oh, you guys get set up. Get set up. Good little
Get it
opening
ready.
move. Good little opening move. You got 10 minutes now, so I'm gonna go backstage for just a minute, guys. We got 10
All
more
right.
minutes, man.
Here we go. US 30 is setting up. US 30 is setting up. NAS 100 pulled back, y'all. SPX pulled back. US 30 pulled back. These are the moves that we want to look for. These little pullbacks right here where we can capitalize on. Sell stop. Hold on. But put a sell stop on SPX. Hold on, let me make sure I'm on the right. Sell stop SPX at 4536. 4536. Sell stop SPX. 4536. Sell stop SPX 4536. US 30 is setting up for a sell stop as well. Four, 5, 3, 6. That is a sell stop on SPX. Sell stop US 30 at 35071. 35071. Sell stop US 30. 35071. 35071. Sell stop US 30. NAS is not quite set up yet. US 30 is in the money, y'all. US 30 is in the money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. US 30 is in the money. Better collect that money, y'all. Collect that money. Let's go. Let's go, US 30. She dropped in the money, y'all. She dropped in the money, US 30. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. US 30 paid the bills to this morning, y'all. You should have been in that money with US 30. She's still dropping. She's still dropping. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, y'all. You guys got to be in the money with US 30. Got to be in the money with US 30. US 30 gave me a bag. Who got that money on US 30? Who got that money on US 30? SPX, let's go. Let's go, SPX. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. US 30. Giving out the bag. Come on, y'all. Who's in US 30? Come on, y'all. Somebody should have been US 30 with me. Somebody has to be in US 30 with me. US 30 violates this low right here. Y'all, come on. US 30 violates this low right here. This thing is going to shoot. It is going to shoot. I'm telling y'all. SPX is in the money. SPX is in the money, y'all. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Let's go. Let's go. We got 3 more minutes, y'all. We got 3 more minutes for this live, but y'all should be in the money, y'all. Y'all should be, all these trades I called out should be blue. You guys should have no reds. All these are blue trades, y'all. All these are blue trades, y'all. SPX is huge right now. Let's go. Let's go. All trades today, all trades this morning, they were definitely in the blue, y'all. Definitely in the blue. You guys should have collect some money. This is it, and you know it's a holiday week, right? It's a holiday week, so you guys want to make sure, right, to collect, right? Collect what you can, right? Collect what you can. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We want to see, I want to see some violations of these lows. If we get some violations of these lows, man, this thing is going to push. It's going to push. But we got to see some violations of those lows. Come on, come on. Nas is doing the same thing. Ooh, look at Nas, man. Let's go. Let's go. Nas, SPX dropping. Come on, y'all. You guys got to be making some money. It can't be just me. Come on, let's go, Ron. Let's go, Ron. They big blue. They big blue, Dynamite.
Look like it did what it was. It did what it was supposed to do, huh?
Yeah.
Patience, teammates. That first 30 minutes, man. We told you be patient.
Yeah, the first 30 minutes is a map out, y'all. It is a map out of what is to come, right? And what is to come. So you want to make sure that you want to be in the market early. You want to make sure that you're mapping out. You got to draw out what's going on in the market. When the market gives you the setup, man, all you want to know, all I want to know when I get into the market is what's the direction.
Yeah.
What is the direction? Where are you going? You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
You going south or you going north? You know what I mean?
Right.
Sometimes it goes east and west. You know what I mean? But we're looking
tight,
for
man.
those north and south moves.
Sit tight, guys. Sit tight. The consolidation to build orders, we talked about that. To figure out what direction, we talked about that. This was good education this morning. Just was good real-time education. Because remember, you're going to do the same thing when you're on the chart by yourself.
Yeah.
Which way is it going? And don't let them emotions fool you. Now, this is good.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
This was good.
Yeah, they got the bag this morning. They definitely got a bag this morning.
Man, listen, go ahead, Nelson.
I tell everybody this. If I'm making money, I know you making money. I know it. This is how I know you making money. I know you making money because I'm making money. It's simple as that. People say, hey, man, I didn't make no money. Something you did was wrong because I made money.
Some we always say in my house, they say, speak for yourself. Speak for yourself. Like, I know what I did. Speak for you. You can't say, oh, we. No, speak for yourself. Oh, this ain't working. Hey, speak for yourself. Speak for you. You can't speak for us. You can speak for you. That is a running joke in my house. To speak for yourself. Don't say us or we. No, speak for you.
Yeah.
What you did, family. Man, guys, this has been great. This has been great, man. We appreciate you guys joining in with us for just a moment, man. Listen, again, good education to recap. I think if we would take anything from this particular session of education, it's just be patient. You know what I mean? Like Nelson was saying, man, when you get early in, don't look for the market, just be going bang, 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 ping pong. You know, I actually don't want to get into the market and it's doing all that because it's too noisy. Yeah, I'm saying I like to get in before the noise start, right? And you can see the direction and you can kind of pinpoint a calculated entry based upon where the market is going. Because the beautiful thing about trading is that you don't have to be in the market all day. You know, to be able to make your money to catch the right move is set. I'd rather set up for a longer period of time than chasing moves all day. Set up, make your move, then go enjoy your family, have breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and go about your day. That's the beautiful part about the market. So that's my takeaway. What's your takeaway this morning, Doctor?
It's just getting into the market early. Family, early bird gets the worm. Right? That's you got to follow. That's a principle, right? That's a principle. Is the earlier you get into the market, the better you are on mapping out, right? So if you get into the market a little earlier and you see what the market is doing, always trust the market. I'm telling you, don't trust your feelings. Trust what you see. The market would always tell you. And I'm gonna go as far as to say this: the market is predictable, bro. It's predictable, but you gotta know the laws of this market. Right? I've always looked at things with principles and laws. Right? Is this market is predictable if you understand it. If you understand the market, it'll always tell you where it's going. But if you don't understand it, seek to understand it. Seek to understand it. Right. So always, if you're going to be a student of this market, be a student. Never stop learning. Never stop learning. That's what I got.
That's good stuff. So it's for everybody in the Xtream family that's on here. Please note tomorrow we will have 2 meetings. It's going to be a double hitter for me tomorrow. 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning. We'll confirm. We'll have a international call for us. Everyone that's on 5 and 6 hours ahead of the U.S. We'll be able to have an international call. Those is on the same Eastern time zone. We'll do a call at 11 on our regular clock to be able to talk about our new setup processes and everything like that, to make sure if you're a part of the safety trade community, you can know how to get involved, how can help your people, the processes to be able to set up and how to move and navigate through this process. And then we'll be talking with our educators a little bit more. King Nelson and I got some talk to do behind the scenes today on making sure you guys understand this TradingView process, right? And so for those of you that's on TradingView, we'll be talking about that also. So we have a big call tomorrow, 2 of them. So tell a friend to tell a friend. If they're on the UK side, that call is going to be 10, 11 o'clock their time. So I'm going to make the sacrifice. Nelson, can you believe it? I'm going to get up at 6 a.m., 5 a.m. to do a 6 a.m. call.
I feel
you're talking about dedication. I'm on your side of the world now, right? And so 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to do a call. I'll confirm it in the chat. And then I was doing an 11 o'clock call on the U.S. side. Guys, we're going to do another call. Now, our whole goal is just to be able to make sure everyone has clarity, right, of how to move and how to navigate and do well for your legacy, guys. This whole program is put together to help people win. That's the whole point, right? So whatever we could do to, help you go in that direction, guys, that's what we're going to do as a company. So again, just want to put that brief announcement out there that make sure you hop on the 11 o'clock call tomorrow. And if you're on the UK side, guys, we'll do an early call for you all so everyone can get the scoop. But that's all we have for today. Hope you guys had a great win. Have a great day. The Thursday call is on Thanksgiving, so I'm going to cancel that call now. So there will not be a Thursday call. Everyone go out and enjoy your family. We'll run this call back again on Tuesday. So we'll skip Thursday because that's the holiday. We'll run this call back on Tuesday. So King Nelson and I'll be back at the People's Cafe next Tuesday, same time, same station. And guys, enjoying some lattes. So God bless you, man. You guys have an amazing week. Your boy Agent Dynamite, son of living legend, with my main man, 100 grand from the People's Cafe, Mr. King Nelson himself, man. Where that bell at? Let me hear that bell one time. Where that bell? Where that bell?
Where that bell at? Where the bell at? I think my dog took my bell, bro. She done moved the bell, y'all. She's like, you ain't reading this in the morning, man. She's like, I'm getting my sleep this morning.
All right, family, man. Y'all have a great day. Peace and blessings, man. Y'all take care. All right, peace.
Hey, we're here at our second anniversary, man, with Xtream FX Global Academy. 2 years in business, it's still going strong. It's the new year, new beginning. it's time for a change. Xtream is the company for the future. We're cutting edge, innovative, and we're looking for some exciting people to help us get to the next level for 2023.
We have a great community that we call the Xtream FX community where we just operate in love. We want to see everyone win. And one thing that we always say here in Xtream is that we are the founders that can be found. We want to see you succeed, and we're also going to be doing that right alongside of you.
Xtream Effect is a great investment simply because you have a way to learn about money, to make money, to gather money, and then to invest money.
To leave a generational wealth or leave a legacy for our families, we need to be able to take all of those steps.
Xtream FX provides the opportunity for growth and to work amongst professionals who really want you to grow.
We teach people from start to finish how to understand the chart from the economic side all the way to the analytics side.
We're literally helping people across 5 industries to generate income. So this is absolutely the place to be. Real estate, trading, financial technology. We also have a blockchain project and a very powerful affiliate marketing program.
We learn from each other. We love on each other. So this is a great place to come and just create relationships.
What made me say yes was the feeling of the community, knowing that you're not doing this alone and you're able to get in and make money with like-minded people.
I'm learning, I'm excited about it, and it's something that I know I can show other people as well.
Wherever you came in, we just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. We're super excited about 2023 and the year that we're going to have before. We got more events coming up, more technology, great new apparel, more strategic partnerships. We're going to make a whole lot more money, bringing a lot more students and be able to take this company to the next level. And we just want to say thank you, we appreciate you, and we're looking forward for an amazing, exciting 2023 as we take this company to the next level.